My phenomena is forecasting natural disasters and the importance of being prepared so that the destruction that these disasters do can somewhat be alleviated. However, natural disaster predicting isn't an exact science. Despite many advances in technology, no one can tell exactly when a volcano will erupt or how powerful a hurricane will be on landfall. However, observation and data are powerful tools, so prediction is getting somewhat better and faster. Predicting volcanic eruptions takes a lot of understanding and knowledge about the volcano's history, each volcano's history. Each volcano is different, as well as the use of proper instruments on each volcano and proper monitoring and interpreting the data. Predicting earthquakes isn't something quite available yet, and not anytime soon for that matter. They can predict a possible large earthquake in a certain area within a certain number of years, but to actually know in advance when an earthquake will hit, let's say, Southern California, where one of the biggest fault or largest or most active, fault lines is just not something that they see anytime soon. Tornado predicting is also not as predictable. They can measure the size, the wind speed, the pressure, but where exactly to know where it's going to fall is impossible. These predictions are only within hours of the tornadoes hitting and touching down. Um, Hurricanes, tropical storms, and cyclones can be predicted and tracked using many weather tracking instruments and can usually be predicted within 3 to 5 days in advance. Um, so that's probably one of the most predictable natural disaster. One of the last ones I will be talking about is predicting tsunamis that usually are caused by earthquakes, can only be predicted after an earthquake um, in the water. So this is an earthquake that happens under the ocean floor. Once the earthquake has happened, it's kind of a warning that nearby areas can possibly have a tsunami. So again, predicting a tsunami is a very short amount of time once an earthquake has happened. So that's the importance of predicting these. It's not an exact science. It is important, but not